Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is understanding elementary shapes. So, in this lesson, we have to study about that geometrical instruments and how to use them. Okay. So, in the last period, I discussed about that geometrical instruments. Okay. So once again, see here that this is called as, this is the special name is this is a compass. It's used to draw the angles as well as the circle. Okay, so both of these, this is a protractor. With the help of this protractor, we can draw the angles. Also, we can measure the angles. Now there are again two instruments are there. These two instruments. These instruments are called as, means these are two, so that's why it is called as set squares. ऐसा बोलते हैं उसको. है ख्याल में? So to use to draw the angles as well as that perpendiculars, we can use this. Okay, so with the help of these instruments, we have to measure the length of the line segments. So after this, means for exercise 10a, measure the length of the given line segment. So with the help of ruler, जो स्केल रहती है, स्केल के इससे आपको क्या करना है, 10.10a में से फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मेजर दी लाइन सेगमेंट, सेकंड क्वेश्चन में आपको करना है कौन सी लाइन बड़ी है कौन सी लाइन छोटी है, मींस लेंथ. इफ द लेंथ ऑफ ए लाइन सेगमेंट इज ग्रेटर देन अनदर वन, दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट लाइन सेगमेंट. Third question, the end point of A, this one is that is end point of A. What is the question? The end point A of a line segment AB is at 2 centimeter mark of a ruler and B is at 6.8 centimeter mark. Find the length of AB. तो इस तरीके से एक लाइन सेगमेंट है जिसकी लेंथ 6.8 है और ये लाइन सेगमेंट पे A जो पॉइंट है वो यहाँ से 2 सेंटीमीटर पे है. क्या लें? और ये जो टोटल डिस्टेंस है 6.8, तो 6.8 में से अगर आपने 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो आपको मिलेगा AB. So AB is equal to 6.8 minus 2, that is 4.8 centimeter will be your answer. Now fourth question you do. Fifth question, shortest line segment. From that figure, shortest line segment, that is OQ we can write, and longest line segment, that is PR. Now sixth question, see, verify the following by measurement. So by measuring, we can decide that AB plus CD and AD minus BC, that first one is verified, second one is verified, but third one is not coming equal, so that's why it is not verified. Like this you have to write. In seventh question में आपको यही बताना है कि जो PQR 3 पॉइंट्स दे उसके में बीच में कौन सा पॉइंट आता है. तो ऑब्वियसली PQR, that is PR given 10.5. So it means that P is the end point and R means these 2 points are the end points, and between them that Q is at 7 centimeter and it is away from that 3.5 from R. So that's why that Q is lies between P and R. Eighth number question is what if AB, AR is given there but it is not AR. AB, make correction in textbook. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter and CD is equal to 3.2 centimeter. Construct a line segment whose length is equal to twice AB. Now see this one. AB given, CD given. आपको क्या करना है, 2 times AB. तो 2 को AB की वैल्यू जो दी वाली 4.5 उससे मल्टीप्लाई करके इसके आगे इस तरीके से लाइन सेगमेंट निकालना है. क्या मैं इसको नाम देना है 2AB. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस, 9 सेंटीमीटर. इस तरीके से. फिर AB minus CD means 4.5 minus 3.5, then you will get 1.3. So here you have to draw the segment of 1.3 like this, and then last one 2 times AB minus CD is equal to 2 times 4.5 minus 3.2. 9.0 minus 3.2, that is 5.8 is your answer. So that's why you have to draw the line segment of 5.8 centimeter. like this. Okay. So this is for 2AB, this is for AB minus CB, and this is for 2 times AB minus CB. So in this way you have to draw the line segments. Okay. Now we have to study about the angles. In the last period we studied different angles. Now see again. Angles means what? When two rays meet at a point like this, then it form a angle. जब दो रेज एक पॉइंट पे मिलते हैं अपोजिट रे, तो आपको क्या मिलता है? एंगल्स मिलता है. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स. ऑन पेज नंबर from page number 169 you study all the types of angles. First one, acute angle. Acute angle means what? Whose measure is lies between 0 to 90 degree. 0 और 90 के बीच में जिसका मेजर रहता है उसे एक्यूट एंगल बोलते हैं. ऑब्टूज एंगल, जिसका मेजरमेंट 90 के ऊपर और 180 के बीच में रहता है उसे बोलते हैं ऑब्टूज एंगल. ओके. देन स्ट्रेट एंगल, whose measure is strictly 180 डिग्री, उसको स्ट्रेट एंगल बोलते हैं. राइट एंगल, whose measure is equal to 90 डिग्री, that is called as राइट एंगल. उसके बाद में रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल मींस whose measure above 90, above 180 degree and below 360 degree, that is called reflex angle. Complete angle, whose measure is means whole circle, that is 360 degree, it is called as a complete angle. And zero angle, that is whose measure is 0 degree. Okay. So in this way we have to study about the angle, because this time you have to study the definitions also, because definitions will ask for 4 marks there. Okay. Now comparison of angles. We can compare the angle by measuring with the help of protractor. Okay. So if suppose that one angle is of 35 degree, another angle is of 60 degree, obviously the 60 degree angle is greater than 35 degree angle. Okay. So in this way we have to compare the angles by measuring with the help of the protractor. Okay. Then direction and angles. Generally angles means we can draw in two ways, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise protractor रखने का है, उसके बाद में एंगल किस डायरेक्शन में निकालने का है उसके हिसाब से रीडिंग यूज करना है. तो अगर क्लॉकवाइज जाना है तो आउटर रीडिंग यूज करना है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज जाना है तो आपको इनर रीडिंग प्रोट्रैक्टर की यूज करना पड़ेगी. ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द that from the 10th B. So from 10th B, that first one, match the angle with their types. You have to match their acute, right, obtuse, straight and reflex. acute angle कौन सा इसमें किसे? D है. right angle B है. obtuse angle C है. straight angle E है. और reflex angle कौन सा है? A है. तो इस तरीके से आपको करना है. उसके बाद में filling the blanks. Okay, that I will write answer on the board. You write carefully.